I'm pretty far behind the other unit.
Lift your hands up. Okay? Turn around.
Keep your hands above your head.
Don't move. Clear.
Okay, let's get the bed.
No, that's Tom check.
Criminals, criminals, criminals.
On September 16, 2022, during the overnight hours in Weld County, Colorado, a call came in about a driver who was driving dangerously on the highway and harassing other drivers with her vehicle and gun. The incident began when 4 police officers from the Platteville Police Department and the Fort Lupton Police Department responded to the incident on Highway 85. Officers first spotted the vehicle in which 20-year-old women, later identified as Yareni Rios-Gonzalez, was traveling on US 85 at County Road 36 and called for a traffic stop. The police officers who stopped the suspect left the vehicle they were driving running on the railroad tracks. The police teams who detained the suspect made a fatal mistake, leaving the suspect handcuffed in the back seat of the police car on the railroad tracks and began to register him. Police teams who never anticipated that a train might arrive then made a terrible mistake that happened in 1,000,000 to 1 chance.
Special 346. Show me out with 912.
It's not you. Just look at detained. Close detained. And I'm pretty far behind the other unit.
I'm right behind you, Vasquez. I'm going to your passenger side. Dispatch left in 346, one at gunpoint.
Driver, let me see your hand. Let me see your hands. Put your hands out the window. Put your phone down. Put your phone down. Put both hands out the window. Both hands out.
Dispatch left in 346. We're getting commands. Her hands are out the window at this time.
Open the door. With right hand, open the door. With your right hand, open the door. Come on out. Did you hear me?
Yeah.
Put your hands up. Come on out. Come on. Get behind the truck. Stand up.
Dispatch left in 346. She's out of the vehicle. Hands are visible.
Who else in the car with you?
These bugs. Yep.
You want to go to this side?
Yeah. Vasquez. Hey.
Lift your hands up. Lift your hands up. Okay? Turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Put your hands up higher. I want you to set your phone down at the edge of your truck.
On your left.
You don't need it. You can leave it on. Come on back. Keep coming back. Keep your hands up. Keep coming back. Keep coming back to the sound of my voice. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Keep coming back. Stop right there. Get down on one knee and then the other.
I got cuffs.
Go ahead.
Good? Keep your hands above your head.
Don't move.
What's going on? Why am I being... We'll explain everything in a second.
Can I get
Who
my
else is in
cell
the
phone,
truck?
please? No one else is in the truck, sir. Can I please get my cell phone?
We'll get it for you.
Don't worry
Stand
about
up.
yourself.
Please. Where are you taking me?
We're taking you to the car. Come on.
Why? What?
Do you have anything on you that's going to poke me, stick me, hurt me?
No, ma'am, but can I please get my cell phone?
We'll get your cell phone in a second. Is there any weapons in the car?
Ready?
No, ma'am, there's nothing on
There's
me.
no weapons in the car? Okay.
Everybody out in the car, come on.
What's going on? Ma'am, what's going on?
I'll tell you in a second. Take a seat.
I'm so confused. Can I get
Take a
my
seat.
cell phone?
I will get your cell phone for you. Take a seat.
I got your right shoulder. I see a car seat. Clear. Okay, let's get the bed. Yeah, you drop it, I'll hold it. I'll come across. Clear. Dispatch looking 348, vehicle's clear, you can raise the channel.
It took her a long time to pull over.
I got a holster right here in the passenger seat.
Okay. It took her a very long time to pull over. It took her a very long time to pull over. I'm going.
Did you see her toss anything?
She could have because it took her a long time to pull over.
I'm gonna put my rifle away and I'll come back in a minute.
All right.
She could have because when I was behind her, she was driving slow enough,
Yeah.
so she could have tossed something. But I let her
Tossed it out the window?
She could have out that window, but who is that? Hart?
No, that's Tomachek. Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God!
Move your car! Stay back!
It's a 346 patrol car was just hit by a train. Dispatch up to 346. Did us medical emergent. The suspect was in the vehicle that was hit by the train.
Watch the fence. There may still be a firearm in the vehicle. I don't know if you guys have been through it yet. You got it?
I got a holster here. No, we have not gone through.
We weren't sure if she threw it or if it's still hidden in the vehicle somewhere. It took her a long time to pull over, and Platteville said he did not see anything leave the vehicle.
Right now, I just need to find out who she is so we can deal with that aspect of it. I've got some IDs right here. Who's awake? Okay. You hear that?
No, I didn't hear that.
There's a round over there in the door.
Okay. That's her. We had a date of birth on there.
That's what I was looking for.
I know you know what you're doing. I was just thinking out loud.
I'll let you look at that. I'll keep
All right.
looking for the other stuff.
Check the center console.
You what?
Check the center console. You think it's in there?
Well, we need to find her ID, so her ID could be in the console. There's your gun.
On September 16, 2022, police officers responding to a report of a suspicious person on the highway made an incredible mistake that led to the death of Yareni Rios-Gonzalez, whom they had detained. Because the detention vehicle was parked on the train tracks, they were unable to prevent an oncoming train from hitting the vehicle, causing serious injuries to the detainee. During a traffic stop on September 16, 2022, Colorado police officer Jordan Steinke unwittingly placed a handcuffed woman in a police car parked on train tracks. Shortly afterward, an oncoming freight train crashed into the car with the woman inside, causing a major accident. The suspect and victim, Yareni Rios-Gonzalez, was seriously injured and suffered serious physical injuries, including brain trauma. In this case, Steinke was charged with several charges, including attempted manslaughter, while another officer from the Platteville Police Department, who parked the vehicle on the tracks, was charged with reckless and dangerous behavior. Rios-Gonzalez sued the police for negligence against her, claiming that they failed to ensure her safety, even though he was in police custody at the time of the incident. An incident that has sparked an important legal debate on the responsibilities of the police and the consequences of their negligence.
Criminals, criminals, criminals.